Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Day 2 and match number 3 starts for Wolves and Dragons.
जी 1400 for 14.
Thank you. Advance नहीं, कल की collection. And hit handsomely towards 4.
पहली बॉल तो सिंगल है ऐसी.
And Shiraz Khan starts off with a bang. Sama Parvez still having some issues from in the circle over, and I believe maybe the field placement is not as per his bowling style, and that's a very well bowled. Loopy didn't give much room, and single taken, so a good ball again. Nudged Waqar Suhail towards Kelly, and a single taken. Waqar Suhail is a dangerous customer when it comes to hitting. Change of plans.
क्या हुआ?
Laid over extra cover, running away for 4. That's a handsome hit by Shiraz Khan, who has made his statement very clearly.
Daud, how's your eye? I'm asking Daud. Daud?
Again played towards extra cover, running away for 4. The plan is not working here for Osama. 15 runs off the first over. That's a magnificent start. Day 2, match 2. Thank you. Excellent delivery and very intelligently played by Waqar Suhail, giving the strike to Shiraz Khan. Taps it and dot ball. Just a single. Nice one. That's a big one, and sailing over long off a 6. Elegantly played, and a single taken. Excellent innings, I must say, so far by Wolves. Have a purpose, doing well. Shiraz Khan. And a quick single taken. That's the end of the over. 25 for no loss in 2 overs. Doing well. Sama Parvez will continue. Remains to be seen. Or Faraz.
Bowler name Faraz.
Faraz confirmed. हमने सेकंड मैच तकरीबन 10 मिनट लेट स्टार्ट किया है, so this means the innings break between this match and the next match needs to be reduced to 5 minutes only.
Bowler change, OP. Bowler name OP. Bowler change, OP.
Thank you. Quick single.
सेकंड टाइम इन योर टीम। अली ये चीज़ें कैमरे पे नजर आती हैं।
And play towards fine leg, running away, running away. Could have taken 3, but they haven't. And Shiraz Khan running well, 3 runs.
आप मुझसे खालिद भाई के पास बैठ गए
यार मैं नेट नहीं शेयर कर रहा हूँ, आप ADCL के ग्रुप वाला खोल लें अपने पास। वो बैक्टीरिया है, समोसा ज़बरदस्त है, सही है। Playing well. Should be just single. I think Shiraz is a bit disappointed. Shiraz 17 पे और 13 पे। Oh, well bowled. The umpire is gone. Stumped out, given by the umpire. And stumped by Asif Tiger and first wicket. अजवात कर दी?
कौन? मुनीर को पैड करवा।
घुटने पे लगी थी।
हाँ वो सोच लो। Noted.
जैसे कहते हैं गोडे किडनी दोनों के
की यादें ताज़ा हो गई होंगी।
पंप अप हो गई होगी। Still, I believe you can bowl
Much better, yes. Exactly the same. You can do it much better.
Around the wicket, Surad Qazi.
Very strong. Very strong.
Correct. Well fielded, but stealing a single here, Wolves. Very quick between the wickets. That's the end of the over. 3 over 28 for 1. So far, this pitch has exhibited that it's a high-scoring pitch and as well as a ground. Ball is
Plus, there is something in it for the bowler. It's not a dead wicket.
correct.
If you ball good line and length, it is not easy to bat.
In Super-8,
Bowler name Faraz.
confirmed. Very well played. Will it go? It will. What a classy drive by Jawad Qazi, and his form is crucial for Ali Mason, not only in bowls but for clashes as well.
We haven't done it. I was in the team that did the same.
Elegantly played, and it's a single. ये अब देखो ना बाहर ये देखिए ये क्या रूल है मैं तैयार नहीं हुआ आपका रूल नहीं पसंद गो एंड प्ले इन सबके लिए बराबर है कोई मेरा कोई यार दोस्त तो नहीं है ना जिसके लिए मैंने अलग रखा हुआ है Shiraz should be a wide ball. Oh, it's beaten by the keeper. Will it make it to the boundary or not? That remains to be seen. Wide and 4. Runs flowing in for Dragons. They need to huddle up. They need to buck themselves up. They are a bit quiet as of now, and usually that सिंगल ही हुआ गाड़ी क्या है गाड़ी क्या है
Two catches and 28 not out. And 2 catches. Almost 3 last ball पे भी हो गया था.
Very elegant feedback on by JD. I think he's doing well here. He should understand that, contrary to the belief few captains have, that Super-8 is all about smashing it here and there, I still believe that you need at least 1 or 2 people to anchor the innings. And the rest 6 or at least top 2 or 3 should play an innings like that. Calculated risks, aggressive postures. That's the end of the over. And 4 overs 43 for 1. A wonderful start by Wolves here. It was, to be very honest, Shiraz Khan का 19 है
Farooq, bowler name Farooq.
confirmed.
He was on the ground sometime. I noticed what is he doing with the leg umpire for so long.
अंदर आके जो है वो करके ओह सॉरी ये बात हुई ना रूल नहीं पड़ा starts off with a good delivery and a single taken, but anyways you got your points. So the count is over it
I was very scared about the over. I think we were quite slow in the beginning, but we made it up.
correct. आपका याद बहुत है थोड़ा सा भी आपका पासवर्ड है ना ओह हमें शायद ऐसा लग रहा हो सकता है कि कीपर नहीं की वो आई मीन इफ यू स्टैंड
हाँ, from this angle it's like
इतना स्पिन भी तो मिल रहा है हो सकता है शायद स्पिन मिल गया हो गुड फील्ड
but Ayaz bowled really well. I was really impressed.
आई एम वेरी इम्प्रूविंग मैं तो उस दिन बाहर भी कहा मैंने कहा मुझे ये याद बैठे ये कराना भी फाइन I will he's in reason. Very good. Play towards long off should be single, and it is single taken.
टीम धोखा समझती है और वो चुप करके साइड से होके 1-2 विकेट ले जाती है.
इसलिए मैं सुपर 8 पहले रखता हूँ हमेशा फ्लैशिंग ताकि कोर्ट का रस्ट खत्म हो.
Hit, and that is 4. Excellent hit by Jawad Qazi towards mid wicket.
बाबा मैं अपनी जिस टीम सबमिट करनी है मैं
हाँ क्लैशेस की. हाँ आज उसामा मैं और सनी बैठे. Babar Ali will most probably be played any matches. और जो उसकी माशाल्लाह से फॉर्म चल रही है. खुदा की पनाह है.
आप बात नहीं फ्लैशिंग में गए तो शायद दिन में पार्ट
Should be a single towards long on by Jawad, and single. Shiraz perhaps wanted a single. Another one, sorry. Wanted 2. 5 overs 51 for 1. इसको प्लीज क्विक करें क्योंकि हम थोड़ा डिलेड है. मैं देखूं जल्द मुश्किल है. Yes,
Amazing.
and he was
And at a crucial time. फील्डिंग में भी but even bowling he deserved 2 wickets. एक हुमायूं ने छोड़ा, एक मैंने छोड़ा.
Firas.
अगर इसके 2 विकेट लेगा तो मिलेगा भी नहीं.
Faraz confirmed. Faraz is confirmed.
बाबर भाई can you come here and need your help please.
Roger.
लेफ्ट राइट नहीं छोड़ा हमने एंड तक, आखिरी बॉल तक.
Played elegantly, running away for 4. JD finding his mojo. Again, I'm a bit perplexed by the field placement here.
मिल गई.
नहीं
Delivery, dot ball.
रेहा, congratulations, you won.
Yes, I won.
क्या नहीं
अभी ये क्या हुआ है इस बॉल पे? 2 ये तो जवाद काजी ही आया वापस. डबल हुआ. Oh, tad unlucky. I think the ball will win at the end. The roll has been. Oh, it didn't.
ब्रेक मारो भाई.
And 3 runs taken by the fielder, the batsman. They're doing quite well. And it's a bye, right? Huh? Bye का दिया? Sir जी bye? इक्कीस 19 ये बाय है ना, जैसे बाय के 3 हैं, तो ये तो नहीं काउंट. Oh, definitely a bat involved, and that is 4. Must have improved. Single taken.
हाँ जी उस्मान साहब.
क्या हो गया?
टैक्सी पे आए.
क्या हुआ है?
फिर ये कह रहे हैं मुझे कि आपसे इनकी ये बात हुई थी कि आपने शुरू में इनिशियल जो पेमेंट है वो आपने 10 की करनी है.
इनिशियल पेमेंट 10 की करनी है, ये नान दानिश कह रहा है, लेकिन उसकी मेरे ख्याल में एक मिनट मुझे ज़रा हरूम से बात करने में पहले, ठीक है? कंफर्म. इनको कहें पहले ये रिसीव करें, इसकी रिसीव काट के देंगे. वालेकुम सलाम. ताड़ी नान दानिश के नाल पेमेंट की गल हुई है, कोई हुई है गल कि कोई भी नहीं हुई? ही इज़ एक्सपैक्टिंग मी टू गिव हिम 10,000. मैं शुरू च ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਨੇ कहा जी पैसे, मैं कहा यार हो सकता है ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਅਲੀ 10 ਦੇ ਦੇਣ, लेकिन मेरा ਇਹ ਸੀ कि ਤੁਸੀਂ वापस अब ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ यार हर हफ्ते 4.5 ਲੈ ਲੈ, ठीक है, बजाय इसके कि ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ 10 ਦਈਏ ਫਿਰ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਰ ਕਰਾਈਏ, ਤੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੇ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਬਲਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ.
ठीक. 0.167. Good one.
That's a wide delivery. Farooq Khan is getting a lot of spin here, and Wolves are 68 for 1 in 6.2 overs. Played and a miss. Dot ball, excellent. सातवां ओवर चल रहा है. Played and a miss, should be a dot ball. I don't think that's a wide for sure. Maybe Shiraz was expecting it to be wide ball. पावर भाई अदनान को कॉल करेगा हारून, पहले अगर उसको गपशप लगाने का. And that's excellent fielding. That's a magnificent effort. 2 runs taken. Thank you. Player retired. Next batsman, please. Last one?
यही बस मामला बहरहाल ठीक है, उसको कुछ बोल नहीं, लेकिन वो काम करना होता तो मैं इसलिए आपको कहता हूँ साइड पे हो जाए.
अच्छा, जैन भी गपशप लगा रहा था, अंदर से आवाज़ आ रही थी मुझे. क्या वो कुछ कह रहा था? जैन कुछ वेट पे कह रहा था?
कह रहा था
कुछ आवाज़ आ रही थी मुझे, कुछ बात कर रहा था डाउन कैंपस से, तो कह रहा था इसको.
अभी की बात है, पहले की बात है?
अभी मेरे ख्याल में जब आप गए थे. Who is the next batsman, please?
बाबर अमानत, बैट्समैन बाबर अमानत.
बाबर अमानत confirm.
नहीं मुझे पता था कि वो क्या हो गया, क्योंकि मैं उसके पास गया हुआ था तो वो मुझे नहीं पता था क्या हो गया.
Okie dokie. Babar Amanat. Played and a miss. Sir, stump. Thank you. Walaikum assalam. And that is poor cricket by Babar Amanat. Who's the next batsman, please? Thank you. Thank you. Four runs given by the umpire. So a good start for pushback from Wolves. ये बाहर बैठा हुआ है.
आज 2 ओवर के लिए बाहर.
Can we please request him to sit down? जुआद काजी 23 पे है. Juad Kazi playing very well, magnificent. ADCL Blues will be really happy of getting him back in form. Same. Driven towards cover, should be a single. Single taken. Should be a single, call for 2, but JD is intended with a single. That's fine. Juad Kazi. It's always a pleasure to see him in form. Oh, played and a miss. So 4 balls and 6 runs. So far, a good over from Qasim. Intelligent bowler.
Clash of
Very, very well ran. These two gentlemen are good runners between the wicket, and this intention can be seen. Very critical. This is something we observed in the previous match, especially between Bilal Farooq and Saad. That was a magnificent partnership where we witnessed excellent top-notch running between the wickets. Oh, definitely not a no ball. Definitely, I think that's going being a bit too no chance. Just my personal opinion, it was nowhere near a no ball.
JD को क्या स्कोर है सर?
JD 27 पे 27 runs JD. Can we inform him please? Baller's name, please. Baller's name. Thank you. $73 for 2 after 8 overs. I think Dragons have done well pushing them under the 10. A Vas, experienced campaigner. Very well bowled. A wide. It's a bit surprising. I thought tough call, but umpire's decision is the final decision. And nudge towards will it run for 4? It is 4. End of Jawad Qazi's innings. Samatai. Thank you. Samapat is coming in. Replacement for immediately off the mark. Calls for 2. And they take it, taking advantage of the fumble of the fielder. Samapat is off the mark. Sama is magnificent all-rounder when he is on song. If he makes 28 here, rest assured that he will not take more than 10 deliveries from that. So let's see. It's a good time for him to come. Edged will not be a catch. Call for 2 and should be easy for them. Sama is a bit in trouble. Record would have been curtained for him, but would have been definitely throw of the tournament as well from the extra cover region. Not easy to have such direct hits. Immediately off the mark, 4 runs from 2 deliveries. 84 for 2 in 8.4 overs. Punch towards long off. Definitely will be single and a single taken. Hit towards mid-wicket should be just a single or 2. Fumbled by Zan Butt, who is under the cloud as far as fielding is concerned. And 87 for 2 in 90 overs. Very, very good over rate. I think the best so far from all teams by Dragons. In the previous match, they were also well under 40. And I believe the reason is that majority of their bowlers are spinners. As a tournament,
Who also doesn't take much.
correct. As a tournament administrator, I am very happy. Blessing for me. Any team which has out of 5-3 fast bowlers is a pain for me, and that's why I think Cobras will struggle because, for example, Usman Asad Munasani has a very laborious and long.
And then takes twice as long to get back to his
Correct. So for that they need to. The captain needs to understand that if you have a bowler such as that, you need to cancel that effect with any other. Thank you. All for 2 and they will take it easily. Last 5 deliveries of जैसे रोटेट कर लो ना किसी दोस्तों से कभी भी उनसे करने के बाद not LBG. Qasim, and should be just a single taken.
Almost complete not taking some bats in the second part. We were expecting him to bowl in the second part.
Oh yes and no, and very well sent back by Qasim. Sorry, by Osama.
Web is feeling like distributed and Danbot is feeling like
आपको कोबरा से मैच सर जी कोबरा का कैप्टन आया कि नहीं आया अभी तक?
जी सर आ गया हुआ वो सर शर्ट आपको दी तो है मैंने
ओके तो किसके पहले should be a catch. No, it won't. As I predicted, it won't. 2 runs taken. और भाई भाईजान कितना रन दिया है?
कॉल करो कि इसने शर्ट पहनी हुई है
तो बेहतर है वही पहन ले वापस कर दे बस ये आज.
नहीं ज़्यादा मुझे पहनी है ठीक है चलो
क्या पहनी है?
पहनी हुई है जो चलती है चल रहे हैं साहब
क्या बोल कहनो की चलने दे. That is 4. समझ नहीं आया आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं.
सर मैं उसे कहता हूँ तस्वीर भेजे आपको
सर अगर वो इस सुपर 8 की नहीं है तो शर्ट विल नॉट बी अलाउड.
सुपर 8 की तो नहीं है हाल से ये या पुरानी सुपर 8 की तो नहीं है ये
सर तो वही पहन लेना जो लेके आया. कल भी तो पहनी थी ना. लास्ट बॉल. Please tell them where is their list. They have not submitted their list.
you can ball first.
नहीं अगर वो टॉस से पहले हाथ में पकड़ा दे तो उसका हाथ. Hit and miss should be dot ball, and that is the end of the innings. And good over rate by Dragons. Only 38 minutes and 9 seconds.